Good morning, students. Today I am going to take a new chapter, Linear Inequations. Write on chapter heading, Linear Inequations. You know, what's the meaning of an equation? Look here. 3x equal to 9. This is an equation. That means here one side is 3x and the other side is 9, and we separate these two sides using the symbol equal. Therefore, this is called an equation. Here 3x equal to 9 is an equation in one variable. And how to solve this equation? X equal to 9 divided by 3, that is equal to 3. Understand? In maths, when we convert a plus sign into the other side, that changes to minus, and minus changes to plus, and into changes to division, and division changes to multiplication. Now, what's the meaning an inequation? Okay, when we use the symbols less than or greater than or less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, when we use these symbols, then we can say that that is an inequation. Same example, if you write 3x less than 9, the first one is an equation and the second one is an inequation. Understand the difference? In an inequation, we use the symbols less than, greater than, or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Is it clear? Now, here also in this chapter also our aim is to solve for x. Here 3x less than 9 means we can say that x less than 3. X less than 3. Suppose the question is, if the question is in x element of natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3 etc. are known as natural numbers. Understand? And what's the meaning whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. are known as whole numbers. Rational numbers, any number of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is known as a rational numbers. Various types of numbers are there. Therefore, here x in n means here the solution is x less than 3. Can you say what are the answer x in n and x less than 3? The answer is the set 1, 2. Only two numbers, two natural numbers less than 3. Understand? Then write one more question. Look here. 4x minus 5, right, less than or equal to 11. 4x minus 5 less than or equal to 11. Our aim is to solve for x here also. 4x is a positive number, isn't it? Here the x term contains this one, therefore 4x is positive. Therefore keep that x term there. When we convert this minus 5 on the other side, what happened? That changes to 4x less than or equal to minus 5. When you convert in the other side, changes to plus 5. That means 11 plus 5. 4x less than or equal to 16. That is x less than or equal to 4. Understand? Now suppose the question is, this question is in W. What is the meaning x in W? X is an element of whole numbers. Can you say what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers starts with a 0. Therefore, x less than or equal to 4 means, can you say the answer? The answer is the set 0, 1, 2, 3. This is less than or equal to, therefore 4 is also included. But here the question is x less than 3, therefore 3 is not included. Understand? Write the next one more question from that section. Copy this question. 8 minus 4x less than or equal to 4x minus 2. Copy that. Look here. Here, both the side contains x, isn't it? Both the sides of this question contains x. Our aim is to keep x term positive. Here, one side is 8 minus 4x and the other side is 4x minus 2. Minus 4x and 4x, which is greater? Minus 4x or 4x? 4x is greater. Therefore, convert this minus 4x in this side. 4x, that minus 4x changes to plus 4x. Then simple is like this. 8 is in its place. Minus 2 when you convert in this side changes to plus 2. Okay. Then what is 8 plus 2? 10 less than or equal to 8x. That means 10 by 8 less than or equal to x. Can you say what is 10 by 8? 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is 1.5. 1.5 less than or equal to x. That means x greater than or equal to, say the answer, x greater than or equal to 8 greater than or equal to 1.5. What are the natural numbers greater than or equal to 1.5? 2, 3, 4, etc. 2, 3, 4, etc. Right. Next one. Next one. Right. X minus, right, 8 minus 3 by 2 less than 3 by 2 minus x. Here also the first side contains x and the second side also contains x. One side x, the other side minus x, which is smaller one. Minus x is smaller, therefore we convert this minus x in this side. X plus x, agree, less than 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. When you convert in the other side changes to plus 3 by 2. X plus x is 2x less than, here the same denominator, 3 plus 3 6, 6 by 2 is 3. That is x less than 3 by 2. What is 3 by 2? 1.5. X less than 1.5. Suppose the question is x in W. X in W means x less than 1.5 means what are the numbers? 0 and 1. Right. 0, 1. Take your textbook and do the similar type questions. That means this is of the form, right, a less than x condition. A less than x type. Only one inequality in the question. Understand? Convert, as a step, convert x in one side. Keep in mind that to make x always positive. To make x always positive. Write the question. 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1 less than or equal to 4y plus 7. Write the question. you can write this y element of real number r, real number. Okay, this is important question. Here two inequalities are there, agree? One is a less than x less than b type. That means two inequalities. How can you separate this? A less than x in one side and the same x less than b in the other side. Understand? How can you split that? A less than x in one side, x less than b in the other side. Okay. Now 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1 in the first side. Leave some space in between these two. The next side, y plus 1 less than or equal to 4y plus 7. Understand? Now look here. 2y and y, which is greater? 2y is greater. Therefore what to do? Convert the smaller one in the side of the greater one. Therefore 2y minus y less than, 1 is in its place, therefore keep that 1 first. Minus 3, when you convert in the other side, changes to plus 3. That is 2y minus y, it's an answer. Y less than 4. All of you agree? Y less than 4. Right? Y less than 4. First watch the video. After that, the second time, write the answers. Listen. Now, when you take the next side, we separate that into two. One is a less than x, the same x less than b. Now here y and 4y, which is greater? Y and 4y, which is greater? 4y is greater. Therefore we convert this y in the next side. Therefore 1 is here, plus 7 changes to minus 7 less than or equal to 4y minus y. Understand? What is 1 minus y? If one number is positive and the other number is negative, what to do in maths? What to do? Take the difference and put the sign of the greater number. If one number is positive and the other number is negative, the method is take the difference and put the sign of the greater number. Here take the difference means 7 minus 1, 6. The greater sign is minus 6 less than or equal to 3y. Check the answer. Minus 6 by 3 means minus 2 less than or equal to y. Right? Minus 2 less than or equal to y. Now our aim is to combine these two. Understand? Which is smaller? Minus 2 is smaller. Therefore write the answer. The set, very important, the set minus 2 less than or equal to y, the same y less than 4, comma, y in R, right. Here, the next part is graph the solution set on a number line. That's the next part. Solve and graph it. That is the full question. Graph it means draw the number line. All of you look here. This is a number line. Just take your pencil and draw a neat number line. Using the scale, draw the number line. And in the middle we can mark 0. This side 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the other side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Here the condition is minus 2 less than or equal to. Therefore take this minus 2 and draw a circle. Then next is 4. If it is 4, you have to mark this 5 also. Then above that 4, mark a circle. Draw a small circle. Minus 2 less than or equal to 4 means you shade this circle. If less than or equal to means solid circle. Now this is only less than 4. Then this is a hollow circle. Then join the top of the circles. Then this is the portion y in R. Real numbers means all the numbers in the number line. Understand? This is the question. Then pause it. Write the next question. Minus 2 and 2 by 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 less than 3 and 1 by 3 x in R. Now look here. Here which is the first a less than x part? Minus 2 and 2 by 3 means 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 8 minus 8 by 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 is in one side. Understand? Now, how can you separate the second one? X plus 1 by 3 less than 3 and 1 by 3 means 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Now, here only one x and that x is positive, therefore keep that x in that side itself. Not to change x in this side. Understand? Therefore, always make x positive. Therefore, keep that x there. Minus 8 by 3 is in its first position. Then when you convert this plus 1 by 3 in that side, that changes to minus 1 by 3. Then 3 3 same denominator, minus 8 to minus 1 is minus 9 by 3 less than or equal to x. What is minus 9 by 3? Say the answer. Minus 3 less than or equal to x. Keep that answer there. Then take the next part. Here this is x, that x is positive. Then what to do? Convert this plus 1 by 3 in the other side. That is x less than 10 by 3 minus 1 by 3. X less than 10 minus 1, 9 by 3. Very simple question. 9 by 3. Understand? Now, what is 9 by 3? X less than 3, the other side. Now, which is the smaller part here? This is the smaller part. Our aim is to connect these two inequalities. Therefore, how can you connect? The set, remember that point. The set minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 3 comma x in real numbers. Real numbers. Copy all this. Then I will draw the graph also. Listen, how to draw this? Draw a number line. 0 is in the middle. 1, 2, 3. If the upper limit is 3, you have to mark 4 also. Then that arrow is very important. The other side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and that arrow. Here the limits are minus 3 to 3. Therefore, above that minus 3, draw a circle. Then above that 3 also draw a circle. Minus 3 less than or equal to. That means solid circle. Solid circle means you shade that circle. This is only less than. Joining. This is the answer. X in R. Okay. Study well. God bless you.